Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study coding step by step. First, select a beginner-friendly programming language, perhaps Python or JavaScript, and focus on its core principles. Next, familiarize yourself with essential concepts like data types, variables, and control flow. Finally, set up your development environment, including a code editor and any required compilers or interpreters, to begin practicing immediately. Once you have the basics, follow a structured learning path. Utilize online courses or interactive tutorials to guide your progress. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to coding exercises. Start building small, manageable projects, like a simple calculator or a to-do list application, to solidify your understanding and apply what you've learned. Now, it's time to deepen your knowledge. Explore more advanced topics that align with your interests, such as data structures or algorithms. Actively engage in problem-solving by tackling coding challenges on platforms designed for this purpose. Developing strong debugging skills is also vital. Learn to identify and fix errors efficiently, which will save you significant time. Finally, consolidate your learning by building larger, more complex personal projects. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with others. Actively network with fellow developers online or in local communities. Sharing your work and getting feedback is invaluable for continuous improvement and expanding your professional connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.